Hey guys, my name is Ismas and welcome to another Blender Daily Tip, and today we're going to be looking at how to use two different materials on one single mesh. So I have this satellite dish or TV dish, whatever you want to call it, that we are going to apply different materials on this side and on this side. So on a model like this, you would expect this side to be more cleaner because it's going to be receiving radio waves that are going to be directed to this receiver. So you may want to have it cleaner than the back side that you don't really clean as much as this, or that is not exposed to rain, erosion or whatever. So it might be less clean than this. So you can use two different materials to represent the cleaner side and the dark side. So if you want to watch the entire tutorial or entire video of me modeling this model, you can just go check out the second channel, Blender Money, where I have posted that video. So I'm trying to separate these channels so that I have one for time lapses and another one for step-by-step tutorials that are targeting more of a beginner person who is new to Blender, that needs to see every step of the process and maybe explain to them. So because I've noticed that there are two different audiences on my channel, so yeah, I'm trying to separate that. Some people want to watch time lapses. Those are usually the more advanced users who don't need to watch every step, and they can get a lot of information through a time lapse than step-by-step tutorial. So that's why I'm separating these channels. So if you want to watch the entire process of modeling this, you can just go to this Blender Money and watch this time-lapse video and other time-lapses. So I'll be uploading all the time-lapses on this video, and this channel, top channel one-on-one, will be simply for the step-by-step tutorials and maybe visual effects news. Yeah, so let's go in and start adding the materials. So of course you're going to want a mesh with that has a volume, or kind of as I think it's called volume. So as you can see, let me first turn off the subdivision surface here. You can see this side here is different from this side. So if I grow the selection here, Control plus, you can see that the faces on this side are different from this side. So we're going to give this material a different, to give this mesh, this side here, a different material from this non-selected part. So let's do that. Let me turn on the subdivision surfaces again. I can go to the shaders, and the way you do this, you need two materials. Let me first remove this. Let me remove the entire materials, all the materials on this. We need two materials, so I'll call the first one, is Blender too small? Okay, I'll call the first one red, and I'll call the second one, I'll call it black, and I'll just call it blue as well, so that they are different. So the first one, I'll give it a color of red, and the second one, I'll give it a color of blue. What you can see, it's only applying the first material. This is orange, it's not red. So it's only applying the first material. So to make it apply the second material on the second side, we need to select that side. So I'll select this here, and then grow the selection by using Control plus to grow that selection, and then I can select the second material that I want to apply to the selected part, and then hit assign. This will assign this material to this side, and now you can see we have two separate materials. So now if you wanted, you can apply a texture here by adding an image texture. So then you can find the texture you want to use. Let me just navigate to that. Volumes, publish. Where can I find textures? Where are my textures? Yeah, let me just get anything on the desktop here. I won't waste a lot of your time. So let's say I use this here. I just connect this to the base color, and you can see is what is applied on this side. And again, in the same way, I can apply another texture here. So this would be a more cleaner texture, or maybe dirty, whatever you want. So let's find something that is like so. Yeah, so let's use this, and let's change this again to something more practical. So let's use this. You can see we have applied two different materials on one mesh, and you can always if remove this texture because it looks exactly like the back one. So you can see that's how you apply two materials, and also apply textures to a same mesh using different materials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more advanced tutorials, time-lapse videos, and top channel 1-on-1 will be for kind of a step-by-step tutorial. Also, if you want, you can check out the Facebook page. I also post there. It's not something I have promoted yet, but it's all. Where can I find it? Yes, it's also called Blender 1-on-1. So if you want to check that out, you can check that out as well. Thank you for watching.